My dear scholars, my dear researchers, now you understand the RB view. What is the perspective of resources, and especially those resources which will have the attributes of VRIN. अच्छा, कुछ किताबों में VRIO भी मिलेगा, but it's more or less same thing. Non-substitutable, non-immutable, rare and valuable. And these resources should have the condition of heterogeneity, and it should fulfill the barrier to mobility or the immobility. Professor Robert Grant, at the same time almost when Professor Barney was speaking about RB view, and others like Professor Penrose, which is on the contrary to the model which was suggested by Michael Porter. Michael Porter is a big name, but the Porter's value chain model, Porter's 5 forces model were all economically driven. It was economic based. Professor Robert Grant, within the resource-based view, gave a new angle. Let's look at the knowledge and the knowledge-based view of the firm as a unique resource. And when we look at the knowledge-based view, we consider knowledge as an important resource. According to this view, knowledge should be able to help you to achieve competitive advantage. Now, let me also mention here, when Professor Robert Grant was publishing his paper in Strategic Management Journal on the knowledge-based view of the firm, at the same time, Japanese companies, and especially Professor Nonaka, was talking about knowledge and how the companies can manage knowledge, especially manufacturing companies. And he has published his book, very important and famous book, Knowledge Creating Company. Professor Nonaka, from the mid-80s to almost 21st century, talking about knowledge as a unique theory of organization, theory of giving advantage. But right now, let's look at the knowledge-based view, how the knowledge as a resource can give the advantage. Let's apply the VRIN model on knowledge. Knowledge of the firm. Why not knowledge of you and me at the individual level? Remember, knowledge, idea, skill set, experience. It's all knowledge. Theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge, procedural knowledge. It's all knowledge. Knowledge has many forms. We will talk about explicit type of knowledge and tacit type of knowledge. Okay, so right now, let's look at knowledge as a resource. Is it valuable? You tell me. Does it appreciate with time or does it depreciate with time? If you continuously keep on improving, keep on learning, keep on getting new knowledge, making it a dynamic capability of you or the dynamic capability of the firm, is it not valuable? Is it not rare? I have it, you don't. Is it true or not? It's my experience. How can you steal my experience? I have a 40 years experience and at least 20 years experience of teaching knowledge management. It's rare. It's non-immutable. Yes, you can become professor of knowledge management, another professor of knowledge management. But my experience, my skill set, same is the case with a company. A company which is developing its share in the market on the basis of knowledge, new knowledge. And we will see how the new knowledge can be brought in. So non-substitutable, non-imitable. So it has all the strategic significance, and it does not depreciate like the traditional resources. आप उसको देख लीजिए, कंपेयर कर लीजिए. टेक्नोलॉजी, मशीनरी. यस, टेक्नोलॉजी इज एप्लीकेशन ऑफ नॉलेज. लेकिन वो कंप्यूटर जो 85 में 60-70 हजार रुपए का आता था, P1, आज उसको कोई 50 रुपए में खरीदने के लिए तैयार नहीं, इसलिए कि वो टेक्नोलॉजी ओल्ड हो गई, वो नॉलेज ऑब्सोलीट हो गया. मोबाइल फोन का मॉडल जब नया आता है तो पुराने मॉडल की कीमत कम होती है या ज्यादा होती है? Depreciate. So the continuous acquisition and transfer of knowledge within business organization is very important. Continuous acquisition and transfer and exploitation of knowledge. This knowledge-based view suggests that individuals are responsible for creating, for holding, and for sharing the knowledge. मशीनरी की बजाय, लैंड की बजाय, टेक्नोलॉजी की बजाय, डॉलर की बजाय अब कौन से रिसोर्सेज इंपॉर्टेंट हो रहे हैं? इंडिविजुअल्स, ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज. ये ठीक है, अभी भी अकाउंटिंग वाले ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज को एक्सपेंस की शीट में डालते हैं. उनको भी नया नॉलेज अपना अपडेट करना चाहिए, इसलिए कि उनकी अकाउंटिंग प्रैक्टिसेस हंड्रेड्स ऑफ इयर्स ओल्ड हैं. Anyhow, knowledge-based view calls for developing those capabilities in the market by acquiring new knowledge, which should keep on giving you a dynamic capability so that you can sustain your edge in the market at the individual level, within the company, and in the market level as an industry within a given sector of the firm. Thank you very much.